This is Syncin, and it's your own private cloud for files, storage, syncing, sharing, and real-time collaboration, all running on a server you control instead of someone else's. Think of it as a self-hosted replacement for Dropbox, Google Drive, and Nextcloud, wrapped into one clean platform. Its whole philosophy is right there on the homepage. Your data stays yours. And there's one design choice that means you are never locked in, no matter what. Stick around, because that's the part that makes this different from every big cloud out there. Syncin comes out of France, and it's built around one core idea: digital sovereignty. That's a fancy way of saying your data belongs to you, not to a company in another country operating under rules you didn't choose. It's already trusted by organizations like Orange and local governments who need exactly that guarantee. When the entire point is control over your data, knowing the project is designed around that principle really matters. Now, Syncin is young. Its first release landed just about a year ago, but people are already running it for real. The project's Docker image has been pulled more than 95,000 times, which tells you this isn't just a demo sitting on a shelf. It's being deployed onto actual servers, in actual home labs and offices, at a steady clip. For a project this new, that kind of real-world traction is a genuinely strong signal. So what do you actually get? A lot. You sync files across your machines with desktop clients for Windows, Mac, and Linux. You share with secure links that can expire and require a password. You edit documents together in real time using Collabora or OnlyOffice right in the browser. You search the full text inside your files, even PDFs and Office documents. And you can mount your whole storage as a network drive over WebDAV. It's a full private cloud suite, not a single trick app. And you can explore the whole thing from your phone. Here's the Syncin site open in a mobile browser, walking through the features and the interface. Because it's web-based, once Syncin is running on your server, you can reach your files, share a link, or check on a document straight from your phone, wherever you are. It's the convenience of the big cloud services, except the server answering that request is one you own. Here's that design choice I promised and why it matters. With Dropbox or Google Drive, your files live on their servers, you pay per user every month, and everything is locked inside their app and their formats. Syncin flips all of that. It runs on your own server, you can host it free for as many users as you like, and here's the key part. It keeps your files as plain, readable files on disk. So even without the Syncin app, your data is just sitting there in normal folders, fully yours. No lock-in, no hostage situation, ever. And the project has real momentum behind it. It's picked up over 1,500 G-IT Hub stars in its first year. It's had contributions from several developers, and it ships frequent releases, already on version 2.4. It's not a huge team, but it's active, focused, and moving fast. For self-hosted software you're going to trust with your files, that steady, healthy pace is exactly what you want to see. A few honest notes before you dive in. First, this is self-hosted software, so you are the one setting it up and keeping it running, not a support desk. Second, it's young, first released in 2025, so expect it to keep evolving quickly. Third, the real-time document editing needs a separate Office server like Collabora or OnlyOffice alongside it. And it's licensed under the AGPL, which is great for keeping it open, but read it before you build a commercial product on top. For running your own private cloud, none of that stands in your way. If you're tired of renting space on someone else's cloud and playing by their rules, Syncin is a genuinely exciting option. Spin it up with Docker, point your devices at it, and you've got a private cloud that's entirely your own. The repository and the website are both linked in the description. If owning your files and your data sounds good to you, subscribe here, because we dig up a fresh open source project exactly like this every single week.